Hi, so I'm just continuing where I had left you. We were talking about the student's life, how it goes through and how we pull through our life, and our main thing is to how to success and achieve our goals. So, like I'll say that what is most important in our life? I'm taking myself as a student. The most important factor that affects the student life is the value of time, because time is not going to come back, boss. Once it goes, it's not coming back. Being a student, we should do everything on time. That's when call it a disciplined life. Time management, time of economics of time. So this is what I'm trying to explain. Because time never waits for anyone. Time and tide does not. We know that very well, isn't it? Obeying one's parents, teachers, respecting and loving one's elders are the great virtues of a student. See, today you have parents, someday you will become parents. So these values will be there inside you. You must learn from your parents as well. School does not teach you everything. School teaches you books, but at the same time, I try to teach you the other things of life as well, which will contradict with your studies. If I don't have a good virtue in life, I won't be able to study well. You got my point? So that's what I'm trying to tell you. See, these are the points we should follow in life. Okay? Now see, like I have a few points in my head which I was trying to think out. Like I'll come to the time management. I'll come to what is all it comes into it. So the main thing I understand is what is to smet how what is it actually to find out our smart goals. How to be smart? Wearing a shirt, wearing a branded jeans and a huge expensive pair of shoes, and I put cologne and I put odor my body deos, and that doesn't make us a huge watch and I have an i12 or something, and that does not make me smart. Obviously I'll look good, I'll look smart, but my brain is not smart. It's about setting a goal to achieve success in our academic life as well. Now it marks our first step towards success, setting goals. If you said, this time I'm going to brush, that time I'm going to eat, that time I'm going to study, that time I'm going to play, that time I'm going to spend my time with my mom, that time I'm going to spend with the family, and I need to talk to my dad, I need few specific things to be done. I have to also see about my pocket money, why it's coming so late. And so you have your goal set. So that's the first step of towards success. Okay? Setting a smart goal is important for your future, for a bright future. Now, what does SMART stand for? SMART. S as in Sam, M as in mouse, A as in apple, R as in Roger, T as in Tom. SMART. M stands for measurable. A stands for achievable. R stands for relevant, and T stands for timely. So measurable, achievable, relevant, timely. Now you'll say I did a spelling mistake. No, I left out the S. Now what is the main part? That is being specific. SMART means specific. S, that's a huge S. It's a big one. Be specific. Focus. You have to become that eagle, that daring eagle. You have to focus. An eagle focuses on its prey. Its eyes does not move, its brains does not move. It focuses on its prey and it swoops down and scoops it up. It doesn't care what's happening. Thunder, storm, whatever, bombing. Al-Qaeda is bombing also, they don't care. But they scoop down and take up their prey. So they focus. So be specific what you want to do. Set your goals specifically. So main is S is specific, M is measurable, A is achievable, and R is relevant. And T is time. See, again I come back to that time. Timely. You have to do everything timely. I cannot have dinner at 4 o'clock in the morning, right? So it's like that. Now to help us ourselves to achieve what we want to be in life and work according to goals, we have to be smart. Now you can write it on a piece of paper on your wall, like we put film stars posters, we put this poster, players posters. That's a good hobby. But at the same time, you can jot down a chart with a marker and you write down being smart, these are the points, and I'm going to come down, I'm doing this. You can see where your success is going. Okay. So this is how it is done. And next is the time management. How do we get hold of the time management? Time management I had done when I was in Dell, I was in the military. Time management, you have to be there inside the jungle at that time, you have to stand with your gun. That means, okay, he said 10 o'clock that guy is going to shoot, he didn't shoot, so let's walk back. We can't do that. You have to respect time. So how do we manage that time management? That's a very vast thing, but it's very easy. If you are disciplined and if you are focus on something, everything is easy. Success is in front of you. Success is there. Success is waiting at a point. Is the Ambani groups, the Reliance Industries, are they successful? Yes, but they are more hungry to be more successful. They got that hunger, that, don't I tell you that everybody has that lion inside you, inside that cage. So lion has to hunt. If the lion does not hunt, he does not get food to eat. So you have to get hungry for your dreams. What do you want to be? Okay, class 8, 9, 10. What do you guys want to be? Sir, doctor. Sir, engineer. But what are you doing to get to that? I have to live my dreams. So for living my dreams, I have to have certain goals. And for those certain goals, I have to have a goal. A goal box. I have to keep hitting goals inside it. With one goal, I won't have a golden foot. Or I won't have that golden kick. I have to have at least 100 or 10 per each match to get that golden boots. And to become Maradona, I have to play like him. I can look like Maradona, but I cannot play like Maradona. So to get the goal and get the success, you have to work hard. And for that, we have to do this time management. If I had a one-to-one talk with you, it would have been really awesome. I could have got to get your values. But please jot down on the school group. I am there, as I am saying, I am always there from 9 to 5 in the evening. And I have jotted down a message for you guys that I have uploaded. And you can check, I had put it on the group. Those who are in the group, please see it. And if you are not in the group, please get in touch with our respected Chauhan sir, and he'll add you in the group so that we can see. Being in touch is very much needed. Families, those who live abroad also, we talk on the phone. If my brother is there in whichever place, or my family is there somewhere, people get in touch. Being in touch is very much needed. Okay, so we come back to time. What do you understand by time? Not a watch, not a Fitbit, or not my mobile phone. It's being punctual. Punctual. Punctual means to be on time. Time management is a must in a student's life. If you are not on time, how will you tell someone to be on time? The purpose of time management is to enable for us to work more, or rather work more in a better way in less time. To work more in a better way and do that better work in less time, so that I have extra time for me. I say that I can save time, I am saving time, but boss, that clock is ticking. Tick, 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 it's ticking away. So we must always remember to be successful in our lives or become successful students, or those who, or the students who want to become successful in life, manage their time so that they can easily have time to study as well as to play. Understood? So I'll come back to that time management part. Time is one of the most important resources of individuals and companies, but also for the national economy. This theory allows for the analysis of consumption of behavior of individuals over the passing time, taking into account the lifespan and the relationships between income and consumption. Income and consumption. What did I study and what is my output? What did I take? What did I consume and what is my outcome? Now, that is the most important of the time important resources which I call. I am not a huge economic guy, but I understand what is actually the time economics. In my language I am explaining it. See, that's how I respect time. It's a theory of analysis of consumption behavior of individuals. Each and every individual's behaviors, analysis of consumption, how we are taking things over the time, how we are spending our time, how we are utilizing our time, how we are trying to spend our time into the account of our lifespan. Because I don't know what's going to happen tomorrow, and the relationship of this lifespan of my present days or my past days, it comes in between my income and consumption. For a student, it's not about money, it's about the knowledge that person is gaining and how they are digesting it and how the outcome is coming out. So this is what I call time economics for a student. You are getting my point? So I'll keep it till here and I'll get back in the next video, and I hope so I'll be able to explain. Let's keep it till here. But guys, you just make sure keep studies your first priority in your life. Please don't take any tension. Just relax. Take a break. Study. You're studying for half an hour. Close your books. Get to your parents. Play a game with your family. If you know to play Damsharaz. Do you know to play Damsharaz? You play your Damsharaz, or you play the alphabet game, or you play Dare and Truth. Okay, Dare and with your family. Get together. Play games with your dad. Play cricket with your dad. Take the ball and go to your terrace, or do whatever. Play Ludo with your family. Because see, my father was also a kid. He used to play. One day you are also going to become parents. You have to play. So why not now play with your family? Why not? This is the best time, quality time. Time economics, time management. You have to manage your time and break it into parts so that you can understand each individual's consumption and income of that time. I hope I was clear. I don't know, but I was just wanting to share. I have much more lot to share. I'll be in touch with you every day. Irrespective of the fact the grammar lessons are going, please do those grammar lessons as well. And it's good to be in touch, and I would really respect all of you to send in your messages on the group. I want more feedbacks from you, what issues you are facing right now at the moment, and also that I can sit and talk with you, share my videos. It will be quite relaxing to you guys. And don't worry, everything is going to be fine. The whole world is thinking about the children right now. And I would give my best wishes to your parents. I would say hello to everybody, all the parents of Hartford. You people have wonderful children. They are, each and every one of them is a gem, and it's awesome working in this school, in this prestigious institution of our respected Chauhan sir. And he's given me this opportunity to be there and teach, but I actually share instead of teaching. So as long as everyone is comfortable and they learn, so each of your children are gems, and they are very much I am very proud to be there with, because they have much more knowledge. than what you think. So you should get interacted with them, talk to your children and learn. See, they know a lot. And if you just boost up their energy and motivate them during this time, ma'am and sir, I'm just requesting you, it's going to be a good thing. So I'll be meeting your children every day. I hope you will be watching my video as well. And thank you so much. And guys, see you later. And do whatever you want after you do your studies and enjoy life. And stay home, stay safe, and spend quality time. And try to do your time management and be punctual on time even when you are at home in this lockdown. Try to beat that lockdown timing. You have to take the challenges up. You have to be a child. You all guys are soldiers, man. So great. I'll see you again later. Bye bye. Take care. And yes, hi to class 8, 9 and 10. Again, names. I remember Panda. I remember I forgot again. So Panda, I remember one name. So I'll remember some few more names and come back. I remember Tiger in class 7. He's gone to 8 now. I have okay. Oh yes, all are my champs. So I have an eagle also. And yes, Sanya, how are you? I remembered your name just now. I miss your questions. You shoot very nice questions to me. I expect that you shoot more questions to me as well. Danesh, hi. Priyanshu, hi. And Saket, hi. Nitin, hi. Everybody, hi to all the guys. Roll number 21, class 8. You have gone to class 9 now. Hi to you also as well. I remember some roll numbers in class 8. That's my favorite. That's the first guy, the second guy who had talked to in school when I joined. So I remember his roll number. So, okay guys, see you. I'll catch you later with my next video. I hope I need feedbacks. So I'll know that I'm at least being of some use to you during this lockdown period.